How to make Instagram business account to personal. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll be showing you the ways to make your Instagram business account to personal. So then, to begin with, log in into your Instagram account. Before that, make sure you are connected to an internet service as well. Once you're logged in, tap the profile icon, and as you can see, currently my account is a professional account, and in order to switch it to personal account, all you have to do is just tap the try bar icon from the top and then go to settings and privacy. Once you go to settings and privacy, from here you'll need to go ahead and tap on creators tool and control. Once you click on creators tool and control, it's going to take you to the other interface where you'll need to scroll down a bit, and all you have to do is just go ahead and tap on switch account type. Once you tap on switch account type, here go to switch to personal account. So in this way you can switch your professional account to personal account. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.